In this video, I want to talk about the difference between a repair that might not require a building permit and remodeling or modifying the staircase. Changing the design sometimes will require a building permit, and recarpeting or replacing some or all of the materials back to its original condition might not require a building permit. However, and this is the key here, if you really want to know whether or not you need a building permit for your next project, will be to actually go down to your local building department. I will not be able to provide you with an absolute yes or an absolute no as to whether or not you can replace some or all of the lumber and other materials to rebuild a stairway, because sometimes the building department is going to want you to update the stairway to meet local building codes. Now, as far as simply replacing rotted lumber or other damaged materials, you're probably not going to need a building permit. This is a repair and fall into the category of maintenance. And most of the time, maintenance, like painting, will not require a building permit. And this provides us with an excellent example of something I think the building department would want updated. And that would be if the spacing between the balusters is over 4 inches, or the height of the guard railing or hand railing does not meet current building codes. And I can tell you that this guardrail right here, which probably also has a grippable handrail on top, will probably need to be updated. And you as a property owner will probably want it updated also. And here we have another situation where the stairway might require a building permit, because almost all of this stairway will need to be rebuilt to meet local building codes. And here's a good example of changing the design of the stairway. Here we have a straight stairway that is going to be modified by rebuilding the lower section and turning it into a winder type stairway. And this modification is usually going to require a building permit.